When one is interested in numismatics and the collection of coins or during historical reconstructions, the gaze first sets on medieval illuminations or paintings of the 15th and 16th century changers who will inform about costumes and objects related to periods and professions around money and banking. Some will go further by the study and reproduction of coins, accounting documents, bills of exchange or collection of trebuchets. The object shown here in this video represents a tax box of which an original is in an English museum. The object is dated around 1300 and corresponds to the methods of levying various taxes and levies. In the Middle Ages, wealth was often represented by land and agricultural revenues. Taxes are often then paid in kind. For recent taxes, the levy is made in currency. This is also the case during exceptional contributions such as the Saladine tithe for the needs of the Crusades in 1188, raised under Philip II Augustus, and during the payment of the ransom of John II the Good after the Battle of Poitiers in 1356. The amount of 3 million écus of gold demanded a special tax ordered in December 1360. The ransom having not been fully collected, the king left for London where he died prisoner in April 1364. This episode was the occasion for the minting of a gold currency, the franc. Franc means freedom. The economic context of the 12th century shows a decline in the use of money by a system initiated by Charlemagne, real currencies and account currencies. The standard currency is the pound divided into 20 sous. A sol is worth 12 pennies, 12 deniers. That is to say, 1 pound equals 240 pennies, 240 deniers. Until St. Louis, Louis IX, the coins in circulation are reduced to the penny and obols that are worth a half penny. On the royal estate, there are no gold coins before the Golden Shield of St. Louis struck a few months before his departure for the Crusade on the 1st of July 1270. For the needs of the army in the Crusade, St. Louis had already minted gold coins for St. John of Acre, in Arabic script but Christian legends, starting from 1251, as well as a gold besant à l'Agnel, a small gold coin of which only 4 copies are known. In this context of limiting the use of coins and coin to pay taxes, revenue is reduced in volume. The presented tax box reflects this limitation with a very reduced reception volume. The object is carved from a tree trunk with a height of 43 centimeters for a width-depth section of 27 centimeters by 27 centimeters. A fake lock on the facade discourages thieves. The opening and closing of the trunk is done on both left and right sides by adding 2 padlocks. The provost marshal responsible for collection traveled through the countryside with his guards and collected taxes in kind and in coins. These were slipped through the slot above the trunk. The provost marshal may not have had the keys to the locks in order to discourage thieves. Thank you for visiting History Channel 26. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment for other videos. For beginner collectors, more information in the description below the video.